Good morning, students. Today I am with you for giving you some brief introduction about articles. You all must have heard about articles, and the broad content of my lecture is types of articles and usage of articles. The objective of my lecture is that I wish that at the end of this small lecture, you will be able to know what are the types of articles and how you can use them appropriately. Now, before proceeding forward or before proceeding further, we must know the definition of article also. What is an article? An article is a determiner. As a determiner, it signals the coming of a noun after it. That is, if article is used, it is pointing towards the coming noun in the sentence. For example, I begin with, this is a book. Now, in this sentence, a is an article or determiner. This is milk. Now, where milk, with milk we do not use a, so we say this is milk. That is an egg. Now, why egg? Because E is a vowel, and before vowel we use an. So, articles are used with nouns, but you have to keep in mind that all nouns are not used with articles. So it is necessary to know which noun requires an article and which does not, and which article to use when one is required. So I begin. I just repeat. What is an article? An article is a determiner. What are the three articles? That is a, and, on, the. And as a determiner, the role of article is it signals the coming of a noun after a word. Now, as I gave an example, this is a book. Now, book, this is a book. A is an article which is for book. This is milk. Before milk, we do not use any article, so we have only written this is milk. That is an egg. Now, egg, before egg, we have used n. So, articles are used with nouns. One thing you have to keep in mind, but also you have to keep in mind that all nouns are not used with articles. You do not need to use all the time articles with the nouns. And so it is very important to know with which nouns you have to use articles, where it is required, where it is not required. Now, types of articles. Articles are of two types. Number one, definite article. Definite article, which an article which is used to refer to a particular person or thing is called definite article. And definite article is the. Then comes indefinite article, an article which does not refer to any particular person or thing is called indefinite, and the example of indefinite articles are a and n. Now, n is used before a vowel. Before a vowel, actually it is not a vowel, but it is a word beginning with a vowel sound. This I want to make it clear that sometimes there are vowels, but they do not sound like vowels. So we have to be careful that an is used only before a word which begins with a vowel sound. For example, R. Now H-O-U-R. I make it clear. Now here H is silent. The sound of R, O is coming. That is why we use NR. An egg, an afternoon. A or N is not used with plural noun. A and N both determines that the noun is singular. So before any plural noun, we do not use A or N. Secondly, A or N is not used with uncountable nouns. News, milk, furniture. As referred before, I told you this is milk. We do not use any article because milk is uncountable. So A and N is not used with uncountable nouns. A and N is also not used with abstract nouns. Abstract nouns means happiness, fear, wisdom, etc. A or N is not used with proper nouns. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Ashoka, India, like that. So again, I repeat that A and N is, since it determines the singular noun, so it is not used with any plural nouns. Secondly, it is not used with uncountable nouns. Thirdly, it is not used with abstract nouns. And fourthly, it is not used with proper nouns. Now, where omission of articles. I told you that if you go through articles, you must also know where to use article, where not to use articles. So articles, they are not used before proper nouns, abstract nouns, common nouns in the wider sense, uncountable nouns. With the names of relation, for example, mother, father, cousin, then with names of meals, colors, games, seasons, days, months. For example, breakfast, lunch, dinner, Monday, February, cricket, spring, etc. Articles are used, they are not used with singular noun only. Generally, we use it with singular nouns, but when they are not used, when they refer to something in general. For example, if I say man is mortal, here I do not mean one man, I'm talking in general. It is that entire class of men is mortal. Leaves are green. Now, leaves here doesn't mean that we are making the reference for particular leaves, rather as a class that leaves are green. Now comes definite article, that is the. The definite article is not used before a plural noun except when referring to particular thing person referred to earlier. For example, the children of this house do not like sweets. Now, the children of this house, that is, I am referring to particular children who are living in this house, they are not though they are plural, but they are used in a particular sense only, and that is why the is used with them. Then the cow, the egg, the nursery, the end, the sofa, the apple. The difference in the way both are spoken depends on whether the following word has a vowel sound or a consonant sound. So what I say is that sometimes we use article according to the sound. Some words, they are consonant, but if they sound like a vowel, then A or N is used. But somewhere, if they are vowels but they are sounding like a consonant, in that case we can use the in a particular reference. Now, selection of definite article, where we use the, let us take one by one. The is used with unique things in nature. Sun, moon, stars, these all are unique objects in the nature, so we use the. Then to talk about a particular person or thing, as I already gave example, the man who met yesterday was my friend. So I am making a reference, I am particularly pointing towards the man who met me yesterday. That is why I am using the. To talk about persons or things mentioned for the second time. I met a girl, the girl was beautiful. I met a girl. In the first place we are using a because we are talking in general about a girl. But then in second sentence, since we are referring the same girl, the girl is beautiful. So we use the. With singular nouns representing the whole class. That is, the rose is a lovely flower. Now, the rose is a singular noun, but it is referring to a particular class. Then, with names of geographical features, well-known books, famous buildings, newspapers, historical events, nationalities, sects, instruments, with all these things, we use the Republic Day, the Times of India, the National Herald, the Taj Mahal, the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita. Then before superlative adjectives, the biggest, the best, the most beautiful. Then the is also used with directions, the north, the south, the east. Then in a comparative degree in the selective sense, she is the darker of the two girls. She is the darker of the two girls, because now here we are making a reference. In a comparative degree, in the selective sense, as I already told you, with ordinals and only. That is, ordinals means the first child, the second child, the first book, the second book, the third book, the fourth book, and the only child. With these words, we use the. Then where we use indefinite article. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. A boy, a $1 note, a cow, a uniform, a horse, a European. Now here I want to make it very clear. European, let us see the word European. Now in European, E is there, but it is a vowel which is sounding like a consonant. In that case, we use a. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. That is, A or N is not used with plural form. So that is all for today. A and the. Today we have read about types of articles, where articles are to be used, in which specific sense the is used, where generally we use indefinite article a or n. So a and the, they are also known as determinants. So friends, bye bye. See you again with some more exercises, some more topics to be covered for your prescribed syllabus. Thank you so much.